each other.
Okay.
I want to say that I am so proud of everyone at this table. It's really amazing what a bunch of able women, smart, powerful women
Yes.
can make happen. Okay.
Perfect for Women's Month.
Yay!
Abante babae.
True. Ayun na.
Sige, ako na lang para. Sige,
Kaya niya.
describe ko for, sige, gusto ko isa-isahin eh, best
Sige.
copy.
Sige nga.
Direct si Green, quality, and quality kasi sa mga outputs talaga ni Direct.
Oo.
It's quality and
Yes, that deserves a round.
may isa pa direct, funny. Yan. Direct for me.
Okay na. Grabe.
Miss Elizabeth Oropesa po, of course, highly respected. And lahat naman po tayo dito highly respected, pero iba po yung na-establish po ni Miss Elizabeth. And of course, yes, well-established.
Yes.
And of course, si Glyza, alam naman natin lahat. Glyza, kahit sinasabi ng iba yan, quadruple threat talaga.
Yes.
Dancing, parang pinerfect na niya. Acting, and composer din kasi. So, ayan, Miss Glyza. Rian, tignan mo pa lang si Rian, nakaka-classy, elegant na niya. Pero at the same time, humorous si Rian. Na ano din na may ano siya, may side siya na very humorous. And then of course, si Miss April Martin, brilliant and smart.
Thank you. Okay, simulan ko sa'yo. So thank you for the compliment. Si Miss Pauline, basically, highly organized and excellent. Kasama ko na siya for 15, 16 years. It has always been like that. Rian, of course, extremely gorgeous naman talaga si Rian, but she's highly invested in things that she actually wants, and she's very talented. And then Glyza, yeah, grabe, yun na yun eh. Aside from being beautiful, Glyza is extremely artistic and intelligent eh. Alam niya yung craft niya, and very committed, I should say. I should know. And then Miss Elizabeth Oropesa, veteran eh, like, I salute her so much, so veteran actress talaga, and she's humble actually. And the next si Green, ito talaga direct, highly meticulous. Super meticulous direct sa details that to the point na okay na, ang ganda na eh. Maya-maya, ako meticulous na ako, but yung pagiging meticulous niya sa details, ibang level. So, high standards ang sa director.
Lovely compliments all around. I think from the amount of times that humor has been mentioned, we can get a glimpse of how fun it was on your set. And I'm sure that will translate to the movie. Now there's a cute question for everyone except Miss Rian and Miss Glyza. If you were to star in a girl love film, who would you want to be paired with? Or maybe an additional question, kasi fairness daw sila. So direct, kung ikaw tumagin girl love. Or maybe aside from that, who else would you want to see in a film like this?
Ikaw muna.
Mas madali na ako na mag-start. For me, it's sige, para it's Michelle D for me, just in case. Kasi pair na kayo, di ba? Okay.
Very producer.
Very, may pagsabi kay Michelle D, that I really produce for her. That I can be, joke lang.
Maybe, Nadine Lustre.
May
Yes.
Mexican. Ikaw naman.
Nanay ni Michelle D.
Hindi ba?
I think may nabubuo ng konsepto dito.
Pwede.
Direct?
Ay, di sa kanilang dalawa, di ba? Ako yung third party. Ang hirap naman. Ayoko kasi baka magsabi na I'm playing favorites. Siyempre, dito na ako kay Rian and Glyza, no? Dahil sila yung naka-work ko. So, I would love to act with them. Kung gusto nila. Kung gusto nila. Yun lang.
Alright. Well, now, considering how important and monumental this film is, what would you say is your takeaway from this whole production? Or like a lesson that you, na ibabangon nyo from I Felt It's Fine?
Siyempre ako alam ko yung lesson. Kayo muna. Sabi ko kasi siyempre ako na yung last siguro kasi ako yung gumawa, di ba? Kayo, gusto ko marinig ko ano yung takeaway nyo raw.
I've done quite a few films similar to this. The first one was with Alma Moreno. We did a kissing scene as well. Si Malakas, si Mahinhin, si Maganda. And it was scandalous at that time. Pero wow, box office siya dahil totoong nangyayari. Ang takeaway dyan, dapat tanggapin kung ano yung iniibig, sino ang iniibig, basta pag-ibig. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Kasi ang dami na ngayong parang nahihirapan ng mga tao na tanggapin na maaring umibig sa magkaparehong gender. Parang hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin kapirasong ang tawag na tabu. Diba? Kunyari, pag-uusapan pero mamaya. So, ang takeaway ko dito, mas marami na siguro ngayong tumatanggap na totoong nangyayari ang mga bagay na ganito at dapat lawakan ng kaunti ang pag-iisip ng ibang sarado. Yun lang po. Direct.
Tahimik lahat.
Okay, ako ano naman, pagdating sa process, kasi nabanggit din yung process ng pelikula, sobrang grateful lang ako to be surrounded with powerful women na sobrang driven, sobrang passionate for this film to happen. Ang dami po namin dinaanan talaga. Katulad nung nabanggit ni Miss April kanina, ilang taon din. Parang nung nag-SMARCON tayo, that was I think November. Diba? So hindi po siya nangyari kaagad. Pero kailangan namin i-trust yung isa't isa at respetuhin yung isa't isa para po mangyari to. So I think those are very important elements. And yun yung takeaway ko na respect and trust. We're just also so happy na si Direk Sigrid yung director namin. Kasi nung nasabi pa lang po sa amin yung konsepto na to, first thing in mind sa akin, sabi ko gusto ko ng babaeng director. Kasi I feel more comfortable dahil sa point of view ng babae, di ba? Mas nasa same wavelength kami. And at the same time, yung mga producers din namin, yung konsepto nila nito, very sa kanila, very personal. Sila po talaga yung nag-conceptualize itong pelikula nito. And kailangan ng mga tamang tao sa proyekto na to para ma-execute po siya ng maayos. And we're just very excited for you guys to see it. Ako din, hindi pa namin napapanood yung trailer. So, pinatrust namin na magiging maganda po to. And with your help then to spread the word, I know that we will be able to for this film to be a success. Para po mas marami pang tao ang makapanood, maging aware. So, ayun.